So you've signed on the dotted line, you're going ahead with your system implementation, and you're looking forward to the first 30 days, let's say. And one of the key things that is really important is the handover from the sales and pre-sales team to the project team. And that needs to be as seamless as possible. So notes, videos, transcriptions, conversations should have all been handed over. Ideally for the first 30 days, if not a bit longer, some of the sales and pre-sales team would still be involved in it, as opposed to just, oh, we got the sale, let's go to the next sale. Because there is so much rich information that's picked up into a complex software project like this, that you'll know straight away in those first 30 days if you start repeating yourself. And there is some of that, you know, if you go to the doctors, the next doctor wants to ask similar questions to the previous doctor because they might pick up on something, some nuance that's slightly different. But fundamentals of your business should carry through quite nicely. But the first 30 days otherwise, you're really looking for as much gathering as possible, because you'll be going a deeper dive into the project now, because you want to start uncovering anything that might not have been covered in detail at the sales cycle. So it's going to be, you know, all of the documentation, all of the processes, all your existing systems, in depth. You'll be bringing your key project team in place as well. So who are you going to be your main internal project team, subject matter experts, and people who are going to embrace the change internally. They're going to help to drive it through the organization. They're going to be the ones that users come to because they're a trusted person within the business. They've got a proactive just voice to how they position themselves in the business. And so forming your internal project team, bring them all on board, making sure they're all aligned. All of your kind of existing communications, documentation, systems, processes, all of that's coming into play as well. And really it's just fleshing all that out in that first 30 days. But critically the data model and the data migration. It's really gone are the days where you should be seeing example data, test data in the system early on, Mickey Mouse this and Fred Jones that. Your data from your existing business system should be in the new system within those first 30 days in some way, shape or form. It's the only way that the system feels real, starts to uncover some of the data cleansing issues you might face, but it just means that transition from old to new is so much more straightforward when you don't have a data hurdle that you don't understand. You're working with your data, your customers, your contracts, your numbering system, your invoices, and it just makes it so much more easier to adopt than it does otherwise. And yes, you should be seeing some nice development of the system, you know, basic forms, views put in place within those first 30 days.